What if I told you that China just created an AI system so powerful that it can turn almost any robot into something unstoppable? And what's even more shocking, this AI doesn't just follow commands. It learns, adapts, and improves itself in real time. This is DuClaw AI, and it might completely change the future of robotics forever. For years, robots have struggled with one major problem: the real world. They could follow instructions perfectly, but the moment something changed, they failed. A small shift, a new object, a different angle, and everything would break. But now everything is changing, because China's new AI system, DuClaw, has unlocked something scientists have been chasing for decades: true adaptability. Now let's talk about OpenClaw. OpenClaw is a robotic system designed to interact with real-world objects, picking them up, moving them, and handling them. Sounds simple, but it's actually one of the hardest things for a machine to do. Every object is different. Different shape, different weight, different texture. And a robot has to figure all of that out instantly. Before DuClaw, robots needed detailed instructions for almost everything. They had to be told exactly what to do, step by step. But DuClaw changed the game. Instead of telling robots what to do, it teaches them how to think. DuClaw works almost like a human brain. It observes, it learns, and then it improves. Imagine a robot trying to pick up a glass. The first attempt, it fails. The second attempt, it adjusts its grip. The third attempt, it succeeds. And here's the powerful part. It remembers. It doesn't forget its mistakes. So the next time, it performs better instantly. This means failure is no longer failure. It becomes learning. And that's what makes OpenClaw feel unstoppable, because every mistake makes it smarter. Now imagine this in the real world. Factories where robots improve every single day. Self-driving systems that adapt instantly to new situations. Medical robots that learn from every procedure. Machines that don't just work, but evolve. This could mean faster production, safer systems, and a completely new level of automation. But there's another side to this. What happens when machines become too adaptive? What happens when they no longer need detailed instructions? When they start improving themselves faster than humans can understand? This is where things get complicated, because control becomes harder. And once a system starts learning on its own, slowing it down becomes nearly impossible. DuClaw AI isn't just another upgrade. It's a shift. A moment where machines move from following commands to making decisions. And that changes everything. The real question is no longer, can robots learn? The real question is, how far will they go once they start learning on their own? Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.